Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2015 Holden Commodore SSV Redline Ute. Now starting off the front, I'm going to show you the overall condition and some of the features of the vehicle. Being the Series 2, you do get those really nice vents on the bonnet, nice and subtle in the black. It does blend in nice and neatly with the black paintwork. Got the chrome surrounds for the two black grills, which does add that really nice contrast along with that chrome Holden badging right in the middle. Got nice sleek headlights in the VF models. Being the Series 2, you've got a vent just down here, the daytime running lamp, and all your color matched front parking sensors. If we make our way to that first alloy wheel, it is in really good condition. A couple of minor marks which have been touched up mostly, and you have got those nice standout red Brembos under those wheels as well. Color matched side mirrors and door handles in this model, and you have got that vent along the side there. Now the vent isn't functional, but it does add a little bit extra to the actual overall look of the vehicle. Indicator is built into that side vent there as well. Now you do get keyless entry, so pressing the button on the door does lock and unlock the door. And on the inside, as you can see, seat bolsters are all in really good condition, and where we often get lazy and kick the doors open, minimal scuffing along that door as well. Making our way along the back now, you've got the SS badging on the side of the vehicle. The paintwork does present really well, especially for a black car. That next alloy wheel, once again, really good condition. That one is actually completely unmarked, and once again, red Brembo on the back there as well. Now the fuel filler cap is on the back here and is just pushed to open, so once the car is locked, that will lock itself as well. On the back, you've got your Holden badging, your SS and VF Series 2 badging down there. You've got the quad chrome tailpipes and your reverse color matched parking sensors. Now on the tub, you do get that hard lid, which pushing the button in the middle does let you open it. And as you can see on the back here, you do get your tub liner and your genuine carpet mats as well. So nice big tub in these utes. Closing that back up, make our way along this side now. Paintwork does present really well for a black vehicle. And that next wheel, once again, really good condition. Couple of very slight touch-ups, but nothing too concerning there at all. Brakes are all in really bright red, good condition. So it's not often you find red brakes in this kind of condition, but they do present really well and stand out nice and boldly on the side of the vehicle. This wheel itself, there are once again a few touch-ups along the edges, but the wheel itself does present really well. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Take a look under the bonnet now. Being the Series 2, you do get that LS3 engine, so it is a 6.2 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, which is always good to see, especially in a ute. The power output is 304 kilowatts with 570 newton meters of torque, so plenty of power and torque there in such a beautiful vehicle. The petrol fuel tank holds 71 litres and you can run it on 91. However, being a LS3, probably recommend you run it on something a little bit more premium. Fuel economy is 12.9 litres per 100, and average fuel distance, depending on how you drive, could be about 550 kilometers from a full tank. You look inside the ute now. On the driver's side door, you do get a few different materials. So you have got that really nice black suede. You've also got the carbon fiber trim there as well, and that black leather. You've got both your power window settings there as well, both automatic up and down, and above that again is a toggle for your power mirrors. On the door itself, you've got the central locking buttons. Now on the right hand side here, you've got the dial for your automatic headlights. You've also got the illumination control for your cluster and the heads up display height and display adjuster as well. On the right hand stalk, you've got the menu selector for the digital display between the clusters and your indicators. On the left hand side, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel itself, all your media controls are on the right hand side here, and all your all your cruise control and safety systems like forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning are on the left hand side. There's that really nice carbon fiber trim on the wheel as well. Moving into the center display now, as you can see, you do get navigation in this model. Putting it into reverse does bring up the reverse camera, and if you put it into park assist mode, you can actually just use the parking sonar diagram. In terms of your media, you have got your AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity and USB input as well. Down here you've got your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can have 2 separate temperatures. 12-volt socket under there, a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone. And the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can either switch through the gears with the shifter or with the paddles behind the wheel. Behind here, being keyless entry, there's a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your key. Traction control, your park assist and your parking sensors. There is also an electric park brake there and 2 nicely sized cup holders. Leather wrapped center console. When we have a look inside, you've got your USB input there and a little socket if your key battery goes dead, so you can still start the car up. There is also a 12-volt socket just in there. There isn't much else to show in the vehicle, being a single cab ute. However, as you can probably see from what we've shown you, the vehicle is in really good condition, very well looked after inside and out. So much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful SSV. As you can see, in this kind of condition, it does present really well for a black vehicle, something you're going to want to protect. So please ask us about the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and protect it against many of Australia's harsh weather conditions. It'll protect it from UV damage, bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization and much more. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. That is going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle and up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock of cover. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages and tailor something to suit your needs, which would work everything in there for you as well. Now, if you have any questions at all, the numbers you call is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.